Hey everyone, wanted to share with you in this video on how to schedule for your senior portraits coming up here later here in August and September. So if you go out to the district webpage, the easiest thing to jump to our page for the yearbook is just come up to the address bar and you want to type in the slash and this Argus. So again, you want to have this, add this on. You can also go through the high school and search Argus or just do a search for Argus. But this takes you directly to our page. You can just hit enter and it should drop you back out to the high school and you're on the Argus page. So on the Argus page, and again, this over time will change a little bit. But again, we're always going to have a section here for senior pictures. And again, all senior pictures must be made through this link here through Camera Box if you're having it done here at school, or if you're scheduling it for these evening hours in the studio over in Camp Hill. So if you click on this link here, it will take you out. It will give you some information about the like what to wear, and again, it gives you some information of where the studio is. So if you're interested in scheduling something during the school, okay, for September 15th, for example, so when you click on September 15th, it's going to bring this up. It's going to tell you what to wear, book now. And again, you have time slots. So this is where you want to go back and pick one of these available time slots. So the Camera Box, I want to close out of this. Camera Box will be at CV on the 15th and 16th. This is the makeup days. The 16th of September is the last date that we're going to take any pictures to get in the yearbook. They will have evening hours over at the Camera Box on the 31st and the 1st. So again, if you want one of those dates, that's fine. I know they fill first. So please take advantage of that. But again, this is where you want to go back and you want to schedule a time and get booked for this. There's no walk-ins on this. Everything has to be scheduled. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.